Okay. Noor? Yes, say.
Find the perimeter of
Okay, that is the question. That I'm not asking about the question. What are the things we discussed last day? Monday we discussed about
types of quadrilaterals.
Yes, types of quadrilateral. Which are they? First one,
Trapezium.
Trapezium. And what is the properties of trapezium? What is a trapezium? What is a trapezium? No.
Trapezium is a quadrilateral with opposite sides parallel.
All the sides parallel?
With a pair of parallel.
Pair of parallel sides.
A pair of parallel sides. Anything else about trapezium? Can you say anything about trapezium?
Diagonals bisect each other.
Diagonals?
Bisect each other.
Diagonals bisect each other. And what next? Heart shape. Next quadrilateral is?
Quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral. And next type after trapezium. Hashir. Affines. After trapezium.
Yes, ma'am.
After trapezium, we studied about
Parallelogram.
Is it parallelogram?
No, ma'am. Kite.
Kite. Okay. So what about kite? Say, what are the properties of kite?
Kite. It has equal sides.
All sides are equal?
Not all sides. 4 sides are equal.
Four sides equal. Only 4 sides for a kite. So? Not all 4 sides. 4 sides are not equal for a kite. Which of the sides are equal?
Ma'am, opposite. Ma'am, exactly.
Ma'am, the consecutive sides. Ma'am, the consecutive sides.
Consecutive sides, adjacent or consecutive sides are equal, not opposite. Not opposite sides.
Supplementary, right?
Which are supplementary? Consecutive sides are equal or adjacent sides are equal and two angles also equal, isn't it? That angle we can draw that kite. See, this is a kite. P, Q, R, S. Which of the angles are equal for a kite?
Q and
R equal. And what about the diagonals? Diagonals are
P and
PS and QR. Is there any property on diagonals?
Diagonals bisect each other.
No, they won't bisect each other. One diagonal. This diagonal bisect one. PS bisect QR. These two will be equal, but these are not equal because the tail has length. No. Okay, go bigger. Only if it is T, QT will be equal to TR, but PT not equal to TS. The diagonal PS bisect diagonal QR, so QT will be equal to TR. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next one. And children, about rhombus, diagonals bisect, not about that trapezium. Did I give you diagonals bisect each other? Trapezium?
No,
then,
ma'am.
No, but I think affines told so. Affines diagonals are not bisected for a trapezium. Okay, friends. Okay. In kite, one of the diagonal will bisect the other. Okay. Now, next one. Which was the next one?
Ma'am, parallelogram.
Parallelogram. Okay, Elsa, say what are the properties? What is a parallelogram and what are its properties? Elsa.
Ma'am, parallelogram has 4 sides.
It has 4 sides because it's a quadrilateral. It has 4
Yes,
sides.
ma'am, has 4 sides.
Then
Opposite sides are equal.
opposite sides are equal. Nagul next. Nagul. Elsa said opposite sides are equal. What next?
The diagonals bisect each other.
Diagonals bisect each other. Parvati. Next.
Ma'am, adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary.
Supplementary. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Shahan. Next. What next? 3 properties are over. What next?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Afridi. Shahan, what happened? You didn't study? Shahan, wait, Afridi, Shahan, you didn't study? I asked you to write those properties 2 times, isn't it? Shahan, you did?
Yes, ma'am, I did, but I didn't study.
So you wrote, but you didn't study. Okay, you do one thing, write 2 more times and send to me. After studying, write 2 times, then send to me. No need to send. Who's your team leader, group leader, Shahan?
Gobika Shankar.
Gobika Shankar. Okay, today itself. And you must give report to me, Gobika, okay? Whether he has sent or not. Okay. Okay, Afridi. What is the next property?
Opposite sides are equal.
Yes, opposite sides are equal. And Hashir? Next. Hashir? Yes, stuck. Afreen?
Yes, ma'am.
Next property.
Opposite angles are equal.
Yes, opposite angles are equal. Any more, Nasreen?
Opposite sides are parallel.
Opposite sides are parallel. Anything else remaining? Yes. Yes. Yes, Albin. Anything remaining? Opposite?
Verticals.
Opposite vertices? Huh? Opposite vertices?
Verticals
Say.
are equal.
Opposite, not vertices, Albin. It is opposite angles. Not vertices. Vertices cannot be equal, no. Vertices cannot be equal. Okay. Opposite angles are equal. Say, Albin, opposite.
Opposite angles are equal.
Equal. Okay, so for a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel, opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, adjacent angles are supplementary, and diagonals bisect each other. Then, anything else? Is it over? Okay. Okay, now we will do problems. Anybody read the last question? That is about that perimeter question, isn't it? Find the perimeter of PQRS now. Okay, that is over. Next one.
Find X, Y, Z where best is a parallelogram.
Find X, Y, Z where best is a parallelogram. 1 second. Okay. Now write next question. Take your textbook, page 51. Page 51. Question number 2. Question number 2. Draw second figure. Question number 2. Draw second figure. Find x, y, z. Second one. Draw the figure, all of you. Find x, y, z.
Ma'am, page number.
Page number 51. Page 51. Question number 2. Second question. This angle is 50. This is y. This is x. And z. All these are parallelogram. So this is a parallelogram. ABCD. And angle A 50. Angle A 50 degree. We need to find x, y, and z. What can we do first?
Ma'am, angle y equals to 130 because of adjacent angles.
Yes. So we can write angle y equal to 180 minus 50, 130 degree. Write the reason in bracket. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary.
Ma'am, angle x is also supplementary. Ma'am, angle x is also supplementary. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Angle
because,
x is adjacent.
Or y and x are equal, opposite angles. You can use that. Okay. Adjacent angles are supplementary.
Ma'am, then like angle C is equal to angle A because opposite angles are equal.
But we didn't find no. We have to find that. C, okay, C will be this angle. Yes, correct.
Yes,
it will be 50. Angle y equal to 130. So angle x or angle B equal to, that is x equal to
130.
Y equal to angle D equal to 180 minus 50. X equal to angle B equal to 130. Reason, opposite angles. Angles of a parallelogram. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Finally, Z. Angle C equal to 50. So Z equal to 180 minus 50. 130. What is the reason? Reason is? Linear pair. Linear pair. Reason is a linear pair. Reason is linear pair. Now draw the third figure. Draw third figure. Can I change this? Over? Third one. Draw the figure. Given that it is a parallelogram. and this is x, y, and here is z, and this angle is 30. Nagul, look at the board. Nagul, we need to find x, y, and z. What is the value of x? Nagul, x will be what? Nagul, x will be equal to
90 degree.
90 degree. Reason, very good. Reason is what? Why x is 90 degree? Write the reason in bracket, Nagul. What's the reason?
Interior angles.
Ma'am,
Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite. So we got x. Now, how we will find y?
90 plus 30.
Yes, 180 minus 90 plus 30. Angles and property of triangle. So 180 minus 120. So y is
60.
Y is 60 degree. Okay. So what about Z? Z is
60 degree.
60. Why? Reason? Correct. What is the reason? But
30 minus 90. 30 minus 90.
30 minus 90.
20.
No, it's not 20. It is 60.
180 minus 90.
180 minus 90 is
180
what?
minus 60.
180 minus 60 is what? I'm rubbing it. You find is Z. Find the value of it. I need the reason.
Vertically opposite?
Which are Z and X? Are they vertically opposite? Vertically opposite means these two are vertically opposite. These are also vertically opposite. Z is here, X is somewhere else. So how can they vertically opposite?
Ma'am, alternative interior angles.
Is that which are they? Alternative interior angles here. Who said alternative interior angle? Who said that? Huh? Who said alternative interior angles? Huh? Who said that? Say, who said alternative interior angles?
That is correct.
Yes, it is correct, but who said?
Afrin.
Huh?
Afrin.
Who?
Afrin.
Afrin. Where is she? I can't see. Afrin, it's correct. Y and Z are vertically alternate interior angles. See, because this is a parallel line. These two are parallel lines. Since it is a parallelogram, these two are parallel lines. This is a transversal. Okay, this is a transversal. So Z and Y are alternate interior angles. So you write Z equal to Y, alternate interior angles. interior angles. So Z equal to 60 degree. Z equal to 60 degree. If you need any clarification, you put a dot to extend these two sides and transversal also. Then you will understand. For when further studies, you put dotted lines to the opposite sides and the diagonal as transversal also. Then Z and Y will be alternate interior angles. Is it clear, Hiba? Hiba, is it clear, this problem? Okay, can I move to the next?
Yes.
Next, you do this. Next is draw the fifth figure. Fifth one. 1 and 4 are homework. Question number 2, 1 and 4 are homework. Now draw fifth one, a parallelogram. A parallelogram. It has a diagonal. This is Y. And this angle is 40. This is Z. This angle is X. And this is 112. All of you try to get X, Y, and Z.
Y is equal to 112.
Y equal to 112, correct. Y equal to 112. Opposite angles are equal. Then
X equal to 28.
X equal to?
28.
How did you get X equal to 28? Who gave that answer? Is it Albin? Who gave the answer? Huh? Huh? Wasim. How did you get Wasim? X equal to 28. Give the reasons. How? Where is he? Wasim. Where is Wasim? Wasim.
Yes, ma'am.
How did you get X equal to 28? Say.
Ma'am, I already did this problem some days before. Then I remember.
Okay. It's okay. Then you can say the reason. If you have already done, you can give the reason. Why did you get? How you get it? Asim. Anybody else?
Ma'am, 180 minus 112.
180 X.
I know. Ma'am, 180. 180 minus 40 plus 112.
That's okay. That's correct.
I don't know.
This is an angle sum property. Angle sum property. This triangle, no. So X equal to 180 minus 40 plus 112 because Y is 112. So in this triangle sum, total sum is 180, angle sum. So X equal to 180 minus 40 plus 12. We can't say these Y and X are not adjacent angles of a parallelogram. It's only a part. See, X and Y and X are not adjacent angles of a parallelogram. X is only a part of the adjacent angle. So we can't say they are supplementary. In between, somebody said X plus Y equal to 180. That cannot be possible. Okay. X is only a part of the adjacent angle. The total, this is the total angle and y are supplementary, but x is only a part. But we can use angle sum property of triangle. X equal to 180 minus 40 plus 112. So x equal to how much? X equal to same reason is angle sum property of triangle. Okay, x equal to 28.
Z equal to 28.
What's the reason?
Alternate interior.
Alternate interior. Z also equal to 28 degree. Reason alternate interior angles. Write the reason in bracket. Z equal to 28 degree alternate interior angles. Okay. Can I move to the next one? Next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Right, third one. Can the quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram if a parallelogram, not a parallelogram, it is a quadrilateral ABCD. If angle D plus angle B, if angle D plus angle B 180, can this be a parallelogram? That was the question. All of you think. If angle, we know for a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. If they are, their sum is 180, can they be a parallelogram? That is the question.
No, ma'am.
All of you think and give the answer. Can ABCD be a parallelogram of one of the opposite angles? Some of them are 180. Is it possible or not? No.
You can share.
This figure is in your book. There in your book. No, you just draw a figure. If angle B, we know that angle B and angle D are equal. When they are equal, for which measure they are equal?
90 degree.
90 degree. If it is 90 degree, they are equal and their sum will be 180, but not always. Not always. Okay. So, sometime it can be a parallelogram, but not always. Okay. We can't say no and we can't say yes also. It can be a parallelogram. Only the possible condition is this B and D are 90. That time it can be a parallelogram. Otherwise, no. So your answer can be, it can be a parallelogram, but not always, right? It can be a parallelogram, but not always. Always. Now, next question. Next question also. Try. AB equal to DC equal to 8. AD equal to BC, AD equal to 4 centimeter, BC equal to 4.4 centimeter. Can that ABCD be a parallelogram? Think and say.
No, ma'am.
Why?
Opposite side AD and BC are not equal.
Here AD is 4, BC it is given 4.4. Okay, so second case, it cannot be a parallelogram. It cannot be a parallelogram. Cannot be a parallelogram. Cannot be a parallelogram. It cannot be a parallelogram since AD not equal to BC. AD not equal to BC. Because for a parallelogram, both the pairs of opposite sides must be equal. Here, first pair is okay. This is 8 and this is 8. But second pair, one is 4, other one is 4.4. So, it cannot be a parallelogram. Third one also try. Third is if angle A is 70 and angle C is 65. Can it be a parallelogram? No. Why?
Because opposite angles should be.
Angles are no. Yes, right. It also cannot be a parallelogram since angle A not equal to angle C. If they are equal, then only we can say it is a parallelogram. And opposite angles must be equal for a parallelogram. Opposite angles must be equal for a parallelogram. Here angle A not equal to angle C. Okay. When is your next period? Not my period, next period.
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock is my period, no? In
No,
between, in between you don't have any class?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, so you do one thing, children, you do one thing. Today, I think we did only 2 or 3 questions. Write those questions twice for the next period. Is it clear? For the next period itself, write twice. Okay, children? Attendance, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Attendance, please. Today, 23rd. Adilakshmi, Aaron, Afrin, Ahmad Afridi, Aidihya.
Yes, ma'am.
Aidihya present. Akash,
Present, ma'am.
Albin,
Hello, ma'am.
Amrita, Anna Binu, Ashwin,
ma'am.
Aisha, Aisha,
Hello, ma'am.
Dio, Effins,
Hello, ma'am.
Ihan,
Present, ma'am.
Ihan.
Ma'am, Ihan is not there, ma'am.